One of the hardest things about packing is that nothing fits the bag. I got this product to review. This is a reusable vacuum sealed bag that you can use to pack all your clothing in, have it compressed so that you can fit all of your stuff in there. My mom is actually down here visiting, and this came at just the right time because now we can pack up her stuff using this. What I like about this is that it comes in 3 different sizes and it literally just fits right in your bag. So you don't have to worry about awkward sizing. It fits right in there, and then you can pack up all of your clothing and all of your items right in here, knowing that everything's going to fit. On the front here, this is where the USB-C is, and you just plug in any USB-C right into the jack right here, and then plug it into the wall. As soon as you plug it in, it's going to start to compress and get rid of all the excess air. This is the release valve right here too. So if you didn't have the pump, or if you didn't have a pump that was working for whatever reason, you can go ahead and just use this here to remove the excess air that you might have. The material is really durable. So you can even hang this right up on your door. If you're staying in a hotel room, you can hang that up. And then to seal this, all you do is you take this nice zipper that has a good handle, so you don't have to worry about pinching the small zipper. You can just grab this hook right here, zip it shut, and then start the process to remove the air. And then you want to make sure that this is zipped all the way shut, just like that. One of the more important things, when I used this for the first time, I didn't realize you had to take off the actual sticker. The air actually comes out of this section right here, so make sure you take this sticker off. Otherwise, you're going to think it's not working, but it works just fine. And it starts automatically. All right, so now we're all compressed. You can see how much air has come out of this. I like the fact that you can use those tote bags in there, so that way everything's all nice and organized, so you can pull them out and you'll be good to go. I usually just stuff all my stuff in there and everything's all squished by the time I get to my location, but you can use it with those tote bags to keep everything nice and organized. Use this here to suck out all the excess air, and you'll have so much more space in your bag. So now I can actually fit an extra pair of sandals right up here at the top, or what have you. So if you're looking for an easy way to store extra items in your luggage without having to worry about nothing fitting, this is a great reusable way to do that. I would highly recommend this. It's, once again, compact, reusable, and plug any USB-C into it. So I would definitely say check this out.